Kids, today we're going to learn all about computers. A computer is a smart machine that helps us do many things. You can play games on computer. You can watch videos on the computer. You can write stories on the computer. Even talk to friends on a computer. Kids, do you know who invented the computer? The first computer was invented by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, known as the father of the computer. Kids, now we will learn about different parts of the computer. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, RAM, hard drive, motherboard, power supply. Kids, now we will learn about types of computers. Desktop computer, laptop, netbook, hybrid, tablet, smartphone. Functions of a computer. Receives data through input devices. Processes data using the CPU. Stores data in RAM or storage devices. Outputs results via monitors or printers. Controls the flow of data and instructions. Communicates with other devices or networks. Automates repetitive tasks using software. The computer is an essential tool in modern life, capable of processing, storing, and sharing information efficiently. It has revolutionized industries, improved communication, and enhanced productivity by automating complex and repetitive tasks. As technology continues to evolve, computers play a vital role in shaping the future, making them indispensable in personal, educational, and professional settings.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.